Well, greetings from a lower tabletop mountain or butte, whatever it is. You can see the sign behind me. It's really foggy too. And I'm gonna walk backwards here, which I've always told my kids not to do, but anyway, lower Table Rock, there it is. Anyway, it's very foggy here, but I just talked to a guy that had finished hiking up there, and he said halfway up you will break out into the clear. So looking forward to that, and we'll talk to you up the trail. Well, here's what it looks like starting out. This seems to be a very popular trail. We're near Central Point, Oregon, and that's between Grants Pass and Medford. And looking forward to sunshine coming up. I can tell that this is going to be a glorious day. Steadily climbing. Hey, emerging from the fog. You can see the top of the ridge on Table Rock. Looks like about, I don't know, 500-600 feet above us. So we'll be switchbacking up there. I don't know if you can tell, but this trail is getting pretty steep. So I'm going to take a break and take a little movie. You can still see the fog in the valley, and it looks like it's thinning out. And pan over this way, and that is Mount McLoughlin, which is about 30 miles southeast of here. And I believe it's about 9,500 feet to the top. I've hiked it once. Okay, we are on top, very flat. A few other hikers around, maybe. Oh, judging by the people that have passed me going up and down in the cars in the parking lot, maybe 20 to 22 people on the mountain. It's a beautiful place. And there's Mount McLoughlin again. Pretty beautiful symmetrical peak. This is looking kind of east and north from the top of Table Rock. Well, walking across the top to the far end, looks like the top of this rock is about 3/4 of a mile across, and it's pretty darn flat and very beautiful up here. Hey, pretty neat up here on top. Beautiful day, maybe 60 degrees now. A little fog still in the valley. Very few people here. In a minute you'll see some like stick figures walking toward me. Stick figures because they're so far away. This is a neat place. I'm coming back. There's some folks walking toward me. Looks like the end of the trail is somewhat past where they're at now. This is another unusual type of hike, adding to many of the other unusual hikes in this state of Oregon that I've done. Obviously it's rained here recently. That trail's like a long skinny lake. Hey, coming to the end of the trail, and I really misjudged the distance. I think this is, well, I think the whole trail is 6.7 miles. So the top was probably more like a mile and a half to a mile and 3/4 across. Very flat, of course. Coming to a cliff edge. And I guess we're looking at Medford here. Here's the cliff edge. Goes pretty far down there, as most cliff edges do. And there's Mount McLoughlin once again. Hey, this is really a fantastic hike. Pretty steeply uphill for a while, but then it's flat for quite a ways, and just beautiful, great views in all directions. That's Mount McLoughlin behind me in the center of the frame. And I'm going to start back now, and we'll talk to you along the way. Heading down. So easy. Like resting. A glorious day. But they all are. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.